My glock make music, Lizzie singing like a melody. I'ma squeeze my 44, I let you get the best of me. Who gon' shoot that bitch aggressively?
YouTube, what it is? We are on the way to go pick up my Gen 3 Glock 22 40 cal from the police department. I will check back in with y'all in a few minutes. YouTube. Yes, sir. I got that motherfucker back. Stop playing with me, ho. Let me see. Oh my God, look at that thing, boy. It's been a year. Sheesh. It's been way too long without this thing, man. Oh my God. You see what it say? Restricted, bitch. Woo! Been forever with this thing, man. I haven't really shot it at the range either. Remember, I had that Gen 4. This is the Gen 3. It's been forever without this thing, man. Oh my God. But yeah, man, I got that motherfucker back. Stop playing. Yes, sir. I'm gonna do some videos with this one. But I got the Gen 5 coming, so y'all stay tuned for that. Check out that sunroof though. But y'all stay tuned for that, man.